Welcome to Resto-B. In this guide, we will show you how to add and manage inventory items inside your POS system. To begin, tap the Inventory button at the bottom of the screen. Inside the Inventory section, you will see all your inventory items listed. You can edit or delete any item by long pressing on it. You can also tap the barcode icon on an item to view its barcode. From there, you can scan a new barcode using your camera, generate a new barcode automatically, or delete the existing barcode. Resto-B also allows you to generate the barcode as a PNG image. This image includes the item name, selling price, and barcode. You can print this PNG label and attach it to your product. Later, you can scan it directly from the barcode scanner button on the home page to instantly start selling. This feature is especially useful for retail stores or businesses with many products. On the inventory page, you will also see two main buttons. The plus button allows you to add a new inventory item. The receipts button shows all receipts related to added inventory items. Please note, these receipts are internal inventory documents. They can be customized by the user and are not valid as customer sales receipts. Now, to add a new inventory item, tap the plus button. On the Add Inventory Item page, you can enter all details about your product, including image, name, barcode, supplier information, and more. However, only 3 fields are required: name, buying price, and quantity. If you prefer a simpler view, tap the Settings icon. Here you can hide optional fields and keep only the information you need, such as barcode. You can also control receipt behavior. Choose whether to automatically save the receipt and whether to display it after saving. This is helpful if you are adding many inventory items and want to avoid interruptions. After adjusting your settings, tap the check icon at the top right corner to save them. Next, you can scan an existing barcode or generate a new one. Below the barcode field, you will see a small checkbox. If selected, the barcode number will automatically become the item name. If you leave it unchecked, you can manually enter the item name. Now, enter the buying price. For example, $4. Select the unit if needed. Then, enter the quantity. If you want to sell this item directly using the barcode scanner on the home page, also enter a selling price. When scanned, the item will automatically appear in the cart with its selling price, and the sold quantity will be deducted from inventory. This helps you track your stock accurately in real time. After entering all the information, tap Save Item. You will then see the internal inventory receipt. You can share it or simply close it to return to the inventory page. Your new inventory item is now saved and ready to use. Thank you for using Resto-B. If you have any questions, please visit restob.com.